me! Hey, hey, hey! Ow! Stop biting me! Why are you biting me? Huh? Hey! Is this your little brother? You love your little brother? Yeah? Okay. I love it too. So this is Marty, our new dog. We just got him on February 11 for my son's birthday. He is a Pomeranian and Maltese mix. Yeah, he's so cute. Are you cute? Huh? Are you cute? He's just 2 months old. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the February BoxyCharm. I didn't have the chance to film the December and January box because we went to the Philippines on December for Christmas and New Year's vacation. So this is the box. This is what I got for the month of February. The theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. The first one is this 3-piece brush from Crown. Looks like this. This is the brush looks like. Let's see. What is this? Use this brush to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. Cool. And the second in the box is this Seraphine Botanicals Sugar plus Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. It looks like this. The next one is this Vintage Eyeliner from the Vintage Cosmetics. This is retail for $21. The brush set is retail for $29.99, and this one is retail for $24. The next item is from the next item is from the brand Cover FX. It looks like this. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It looks like this. This multi-use shimmering cream colors are crisp-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. And the last item in the box is this highlighter palette from Naked Cosmetics. This is retail for $39.99. The Cover FX is retail for $28. So let's open her up, and this is how it looks like. I will show you real quick what I got for the month of December and January. So let's do the December first. So this is what I got. The theme for the month of December is Glitz and Glam. This is a blush kit from the brand Real Hair. It looks like this. So this is how it looks like. The next item is this mascara from Tarte. This is the Tarte's Lash Paint Mascara. This is retail for $23. And the blush kit is retail for $32. The next item is this concealer palette. It looks like this. This is retail for $29.99. Let's open her up. And it looks like this. The next item is this liquid lipstick from the brand Pretty Vulgar. This is retail for $24. This is the blush brush from Crown Brush. And it looks like this. Let's move to January box. The theme for January is Rock 2018. It looks like this. The first item in here is this lip plumber. It looks like this. This is from the brand Grande Cosmetics or Grand Cosmetics. This is retail for $27 and it looks like this. Let's open her up. This is how it looks like. The next item is from the brand It Cosmetics. This is the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil and this is retail for $24. And it looks like this. This is from the brand Pure the Complexion Authority. This is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette and this is retail for $34. And when you open her up, if I can open it, okay, there you go. It looks like this. You have a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. Cool. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer and this is retail for $38. It looks like this. And the last item in the box is this eyeshadow palette from the brand Crown Pro. This is retail for $25 and it looks like this. Let's open her up. The packaging is so pretty. It looks like this. And this is how it looks like. I love the colors and I love the mirror. The mirror is shaped like a guitar. It's cute. I love it. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye!